Ready to build enterprise software for a global technology leader? Bosch is hiring senior software developers with Python and React expertise in Bengaluru. Work development teams build Select Your Career with Bosch.
The selected candidate will work on enterprise grade web applications and software platforms while leading development teams and participating in architecture discussions. The role combines hands on development responsibilities with technical leadership duties. The selected candidate will design scalable web applications using Python APIs and React TypeScript, develop and maintain enterprise software solutions, own application modules from design to deployment, lead and mentor a team of 5 to 6 software developers, participate in customer discussions and requirement analysis, create technical designs and architecture solutions, handle deployment activities and environment setup, write unit tests for front end and back end systems, manage Git repositories and version control processes, follow Agile, Scrum, and SDLC methodologies, collaborate with cross functional engineering teams. Coming to the educational qualifications, any bachelor's degree would work. Preferred would be BTech, BE, BCA, MCA, MTech, computer science, information technology, electronics and communication, related engineering disciplines. Candidates should possess 6 to 10 years of overall software deployment experience, strong hands on coding expertise, experience building database driven applications, team leadership and mentoring experience, enterprise software development exposure. Mandatory skills backend development, Python, FastAPI, Django, REST API development, API integration, front end development, React, TypeScript, JavaScript, component based architecture, database technologies, PostgreSQL, MS SQL Server, database design, query optimization, database programming, software engineering, Git, version control, unit testing, integration testing, code reviews, leadership skills, team mentoring, technical leadership, module ownership, stakeholder communication. Preferred skills: having the following skills will provide an advantage: AI and ML learning, AI enabled applications, machine learning integrations, intelligent automation solutions, DevOps, Azure DevOps, CI CD pipelines, build automation, Microsoft Azure Cloud Platform, Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud Platform. Bosch senior software developer position is an excellent opportunity for experienced software professionals seeking a combination of technical leadership and hands on development with exposure to modern technologies, enterprise scale projects, cloud platforms, and AI driven solutions. So, this role offers strong career growth potential with a globally recognized technology organization. Candidates with expertise in Python, React, TypeScript, databases, and team leadership should strongly consider applying. So look for the link in the description below. All the best.